If your onboarding lives in PDFs, spreadsheets, and follow-up emails, you don't have an onboarding process, you have a guessing game. And AI automation fixes that by turning every step into a workflow that runs on its own while you stay in control. To build onboarding AI automation, start with 3 outcomes. First, collect information and documents before day 1 using digital forms and e-signatures. Second, assign the right tasks automatically based on role, department, location, or employment status changes. And third, prove compliance with built-in tracking for I-9 and E-Verify along with secure document storage. This is where HR Cloud Onboard shines, because you can create custom onboarding workflows that adapt automatically as roles, departments, or locations change. So your checklist evolves with your workforce, and then launch a branded onboarding portal where new hires complete tasks, upload documents, and track progress in real time. On top of that, HR Cloud AI helps guide next steps, supports policy-aligned responses, and reduces manual follow-ups by supporting configured onboarding workflows. Osmose Utilities used HR Cloud Onboard to automate field-based onboarding that previously took up to 2 hours per hire, improving data accuracy and supporting I-9, E-Verify, and industry compliance, while using mobile features like photo uploads and kiosk mode with full HRIS integration. Their HR analysts shared that it saved time, increased accuracy, and improved compliance. All About Kids replaced a paper-based onboarding process with HR Cloud's digital documents, e-signature forms, and structured task workflows, gaining full visibility into employee progress. If you want to build onboarding AI automation fast, standardize workflows by role and location, automate documents and signatures before day 1, use HR Cloud AI to support the next right step, so nothing stalls and nothing gets missed. Scan the QR code and book a demo of HR Cloud Onboard.